Hello everyone, this is just a short video of the graphics cards I'm going to be using for my build. If you watch my first and second video of the parts, this is just a quick update of the graphics card I'm going to be using. So let's get to it. It's an Asus Direct CU2 Overclock Edition 2GB. Yes, it's like nearly 4 years old, but it is still a really good card, and I was able to get two for £100, which I think is a steal, as they're in immaculate condition. The heat sinks have never been taken off of them, so I thought I'd grab these, and they'll do me for a year or so, and then when Nvidia brings out their new lot, I might consider it then. But at the moment, these are really good cards. And in LSI, which I'm going to be doing, they're really good. So yeah, here it is, the Asus Direct CU2 Overclock Edition. And if anyone's on a tight budget and only got like 50 to 80 pounds, I think that's what they're going for one. It's a really good card. It's got super alloy power, all top components, GPU tweak. Here's what the cooler looks like. It's hard to see with a camera phone. There you go, it's a really nice card. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be using in my build. And the case I'm going to be using is an Inwin 509 ROG Edition, tempered glass. Looks really nice. And yeah, I'll do the build and then I'll show you what it looks like. I was going to do a video of doing the build, but there's so many videos out there, I thought I'd just show you the build when it's done. So let me know on if anyone out there is using these cards, either in single or LSI, and see what performance you're getting. I would like to know. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.